I'm going to show you here how to solve an equation with an x on each side. In this example, you will see that we're going to end up having a one-step equation to solve, so it takes 5 steps. The first thing you want to do is take the original equation, do Control-C, place it down into the second row where you can Control-V, paste it. Here it says add the inverse. What we're talking about here is adding the inverse of the x term. The x term that I'm talking about is the one on the right side of the equal sign. So there are different ways of doing this, but this is the process I want you to follow so we're all doing the same thing. So the inverse of 2x is negative 2x. Place it directly after the 2x term. So negative 2x. Because it's an inverse term, you need to make it red. Leave it highlighted after you color it so you can quickly copy it, paste it on the left side of the equal sign. I suggest you place it directly after the 3x term. In the same step, it says here that you need to highlight the 0 pair. Come over here, take the 0 pair, do your back highlighting in an aqua blue. Step 3 says to simplify. 3x minus 2x is 1x. You still have a negative 3 sitting next to that. You have your equal sign, and the part in aqua blue has disappeared and you're left with a negative 1. That is a one-step equation. Take that, copy it, paste it down here so we can solve that. You have to once again add the inverse. Now the goal here is to get that x alone. So if the negative 3 is sitting next to it, that is the inverse we need to add. So I'm going to add a positive 3, which is the opposite of the negative 3. Come up, make it red, copy it, and paste it onto the right side of the equal sign. Then once again, you need to highlight your 0 pair in that step. For your final step, you take what is left on the left side of the equal sign, which is x, bring down your equal sign, and combine the like terms on the right to simplify. Negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. And you're finished.